Hello and welcome to Contractor's Point of View. My name is Gary and today we're going to be taking a look at the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro. And today's a special video because, well, I know a lot of people have been looking for a rugged case with the Magsafe Charger magnet built in. Well, Supcase has done exactly that with their Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro. I have to let you know that I picked up a regular Supcase and tried it on a regular wireless charger, and I did find that it had a lot of problems, many times not being able to connect. I also picked up a little wireless charger, Amazon recommended. I wanted to try it here while we were doing the unboxing. I also picked up a brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max so that we can try it, and this color is amazing on the Unicorn Beetle Pro. I picked up a blue, so I kind of wanted to see because I thought that would look the best. We are going to do all three here real quick. I'm going to show you how to put the case on, and I'm going to show you towards the end how to take it off, because a lot of people have a lot of questions about how to remove it. These go on really well, they stay really well, and so they protect your phone. They don't come off easily. I will show you that towards the end. So like I said, this is a brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max. So let's go ahead and open this up. And if you've seen any of my other Supcase videos, you'll know that I do not like to have a device without a protective cover or case on it. Look at that. Okay, and this isn't really an unboxing video. You guys already know what's in the box if you've got an iPhone 13 Pro Max or if you're looking to pick one up. I think that color is going to go well with the case. Sweet. Look how big that is. That's a giant phone. That is a giant phone. So we're going to set that off to the side and we're going to look at this case. Now, this color, it was described to me as not green, not silver. So let me do this without the plastic rattling. Not green, not silver, and not gray. And you can actually see all three in there. I don't know if the video captures it as well, but there you can see right there your MagSafe lock there for it to go onto the charger. Now this doubles as a kickstand, so you pull that little lever right there and you can see it pops right up. So let's get into putting this on. One of the things Supcase sends with most of their cases that are the Unicorn Beetle Pro is you get the clip. There's a little instruction sheet on how to put it together, but we still do the videos because some of you still have questions, which is great. So I use the clip. It works best for me. I don't like pocketing my phones. So let's set that off to the side. So we've got our iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now when you remove this, you'll have film on the inside and the outside. To keep the built-in screen protector scratch-free while it's in shipping. And so the best way to get it open is if you start down here in the bottom, kind of where it points the arrow, and you pull that back and go over, hold your thumb there and pull over to the other corner. And once you get both of those loose, then you can start to work your way down the phone, or I mean down the cover, sorry. And then it slowly pulls out of the rest of the case. You do have to be careful around your volume on-off knob and those and the power button, because it is a little thinner there, but it's still rugged enough that it's not going to break. You don't have to worry about that. All right, so first thing we're going to do, you can see in here, you want to put the front of the case on first. So we're going to start by peeling off the inner layer. Now if you want to do this 100% dust-free, then you should do it in a restroom with your shower running on super hot, and it'll get it really humid in there. Let me wipe this off since I just put fingerprints on it. And that is so cool. I love the way this looks. All right, so bottom, snap that puppy in there, and you're done with the front. Charging port lines up, everything there. So goes on, I put the bottom in first, and then I work my way to the top. And then you got to just make sure that all this sinks in around the sides. And there you go. So we're going to turn the phone on just to show you that it is a real phone. There it goes. So now we have that going, and then we get to peel off the front cover. Let's see where I can grab it. The edges are, I have no, oh, there it is. Okay, so there we go. Check that out. Okay, I love that color, and I think the blue does go best with it because it gives it a little bit of about the same color. But let's go ahead and unbox this real quick. Like I said, just bought it. It's brand new. You saw that. I haven't tried it at all, so I don't know as much as you. User manual, you know what to do with that. Let's see if this comes with anything else. Yes, okay. One of the few things to still come with a charging brick. All right. You got your USB-C cord charging. All right, there's your Magsafe Charger. This is actually a 3-in-1 charger. So that's gonna go there. Let's plug this in. We are plugged in. Let's see if there's any lights on this. Oh, there's a light on the base. I don't know if you can see that in the camera or not. It's kind of cool looking. All right, so like I said, I don't know if it's going to start because I haven't fully logged into the phone yet, but let's see how this does. Boom, check that out. Okay, like I said, on the other charger that I tried with the regular Supcase, it didn't work at all. I couldn't get it to charge through the thicker case. If I put a thinner case on, it worked great, but you saw that, right? So you pull that, it's not charging. Boom! Yes, that makes me happy. I'm excited about that. So yeah, I think I'm gonna need another one of these for my wife's phone. I picked up the iPhone for camera and stuff because I currently use an iPhone 11, but look at that. I don't know if you can see that. It just looks fantastic. Gotta love that. And then, boom. I love that. I love that right there. Okay, so it works. So you can also charge your AirPods and then also your watch. I don't have a watch with me. I actually use a Garmin watch, so you can charge your watch, your AirPods, and all that fun stuff. So anyway, that's the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Magsafe Charger. Now I'm going to show you how to take it off. Basically, it's the same way that you put it on. However, it's going to seem a lot more rigid, and to me it's a lot easier to take off than it is to put on because the phone's in there to add some stability. So again, you start at that bottom corner. You can peel back a little further now, and then what I like to do is just hold that and pull it apart. And then once it's apart, you snap off the front, and there you go. And you can clean the phone if you need to or do something else. But usually that doesn't get much dust in there except for maybe a little around the cameras, and that might be it. But I wonder if this holds on without. Sure does. Okay, so that holds on without it, but it's really nice. I'm excited actually about this because you can put this on the Magsafe and you've got a thick, rugged case. And you might be wondering why I do case videos from a contractor's point of view type thing. And personally, I find it heartbreaking when I see somebody in construction with a broken phone. I just know that everybody spends a lot of money on their phones, and having a case on your phone, especially like this, I mean, I would do a drop test on this, but I'm in my room right now, my studio thing, whoops. And yeah, I can't do that, but maybe later. But yeah, look at that. That's so cool. Okay, oh, kickstand. Let's see the kickstand in operation. Boom. Okay, so it holds it up just like that for viewing media. It even acts as a ring. to hold on your hand if you're a left-hand phone holder or a right hand. As you can see, I do not hold my phone with my right hand. That's just terrible. That feels just very comfortable. Wow, I didn't even realize that. Check that out. Okay, so you've got that ability as well, and that way it's not gonna slip out of your hand. So there it is, Supcase. Oh, that is so cool too. Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro, Magsafe Charger, super color. Oh, it's called Xanadu. Yeah, I love it. Wow, I like that a lot. I just think that's so cool. So anyway, I'll throw links down in the description where you can find these. If you like this type of content and you do search for phone cases often, please subscribe, give this video a like, and maybe share it to somebody who might want this case. Supcase has been around for a while, so they offer some good protection, and yeah, I really like this a lot. Looking forward to using it as my regular. Until next time, stay safe out there.